Hello everyone, my name as usual is the Dumb Engineer. I demystify everything data engineering. I make all data science and data engineering concepts very simple. So have you ever heard of IOU, intersection over union? It's one of the most important indices in computer vision. In regression, we see indices like the RMSE, that's a root mean square error, the MAE, and so on and so forth. In classification, most people are more familiar with indices like the precision, the recall, the F1 score. However, going through a computer vision algorithm, you may see something like this, and then you wonder, what on earth is this? Don't worry, you are not out of place. Most people don't even understand this either. So today, and as usual, I'm going to be telling you a story. My story will be so interesting that by the time I am done with the story, you have a complete and clear picture of what IOU is and how it works. So let's get cracking. So what will our story be about? Our story will be about a particular city and two popular detectives in that city. The two popular detectives are known for solving very tough mysteries. The first detective is Detective Accuracy. Detective Accuracy is a very experienced detective. Very good lad. Then we also have another person, Detective Prediction. Well, Detective Prediction is very talented, but a bit green and not too experienced. So, one day, a case arrives. See, the residents of the city spot a cat, a very mysterious cat, walking around the city. So, of course, like what's done in most cities, they call the police and the detectives were called in. So, both detectives tried to find where the cat was. But here's the thing, their findings did not align. This is what Detective Accuracy Finder found out. This is what Detective Prediction found out. The glowing area here, now that is where the stories agree. This is what is called intersection. And everything covered by either of the two boxes here, that is the union. It's kind of like asking how similar are the two versions of their report. So to measure the similarity, the city uses a very simple but powerful rule. Now, what do? They take the area where both detectives agree, and then they divide this by the total area covered by either of them, right? The more they agree, the higher the IOU. The lesser they agree, well, the lower it gets. When prediction nearly matches ground truth, the result is high IOU. Now, this means that the model is very confident and correct. But when the overlap is tiny, the IOU drops, the detectives totally disagree, and the model makes a poor prediction. So, IOU, intersection over union, is used everywhere, from self-driving cars to medical images to drones. Even your own favorite mobile apps use IOU. It is a score that tells the computer vision model how well it has spotted something and how close it is to the truth.